and welcome to our Reset Button episode. In this segment, we're going to focus on resetting our flavor profiles. Soy sauce is one of my favorite flavors, but I don't like all the salt and sodium. So we're going to create an alternative to a soy sauce which we can use in our dishes today. Today's meal plan is we're going to put together some pan-seared salmon, and with that we're going to do unfried rice with our fabulous soy sauce. And then on top of that, we're going to accompany it with a kale salad with mango and a dressing that's ginger, sesame, and orange. So join me for some old flavors with a new mindset, reset perspective. So let's reset the reset. We're going to do an alternative to soy sauce. So with that, we have all these ingredients that'll bring out all the flavor and none of the salt. So we have a vegetable broth here. We have ginger. We've got a peeled lemon, so we get all the fiber of the whole fruit. And we have molasses, garlic. We've got tomato sauce here, but you can also use tomato paste, black pepper, and miso, which the miso we can is mixed with a rice vinegar, and we've ended it with some date sugar just to give that balance of savory and sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my date sugar in here, and I'm gonna throw my miso paste with the rice wine vinegar. We've got our black pepper and our tomato sauce. And then we've got a little bit of garlic. Go ahead and throw that in. Give it just a light little chop. Chop, chop. I love the smell. So flavorful. We've got our ginger here. Give that a little chop. Throw all that in here. I'm going to go ahead and put the molasses in here. And chop up this lemon. Got our lemon, and the last bit is our vegetable broth. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on my favorite little chopper. Great, so the soy sauce is ready, and now I can start chopping the vegetables for the stir fry, and my rice is just about ready to go in. Now it's time for the savory stir fry, and we're going to have to reset it because we are not going to use oil in this one. We're going to use our little pseudo soy sauce as our base. We use that just to give it a little liquid, and then we're going to cook down the onions. It usually takes about 5 minutes. So we'll let these cook down a bit, and then we'll add our veggies. So now that our onions are all cooked up, we're going to go ahead and add just a little more liquid so we can add our veg. Ooh, listen to that sizzle, sizzle. Add our veg. Oh yeah, now we're really cooking. Now I'm also going to sprinkle in a little bit more of that miso paste, which is with the rice wine vinegar mixture. And I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper for a little kick. And we're going to add a little ginger and tahini. Oh yeah, tahini is what we use in hummus, and that definitely gives it a unique flavor profile. And our shredded carrot. Oh yeah. We can use the rest of our pseudo soy sauce. I was chatting with my girlfriend on the phone and she's like, oh, I had too much champagne the other night and now I need a reset. And I said, yes, we all sometimes need a reset. Start over from new today. And I'm going to go ahead and add my rice here. And I like to do, with the fried rice, I like to do more of a 50% rice, 50% veg, or even an 80-20, or 20% rice and 80% veg, because then I know I'm getting more veg in my diet. Oh yeah, that's coming together beautifully. Great, well this is just about cooked up, so I'm going to finish this off and then we're going to go ahead and start on our salmon, which is going to be a nice pairing.